Hey everybody, it is January 2. It is Monday, January 2, 2023, and the markets are closed. And I am taking an opportunity to put something together for you because we are starting our seventh year of 32 trades, our second year over here with the My Options Trading Club. And what I'm looking for this year, because it is the 7-year anniversary, I am looking for seven individuals who are going to make $1 million a year. In order to make $1 million a year, you got to first make your 500 grand. In order to make 500 grand, you first got to make 250. In order to make 250, 100, and so on and so on. And it all starts with the first step. And the way that we're going to do it is we are going to do it by doing our SPX credit spreads. Credit spreads on the SPX with 0-day trade expirations. And with the way that we have done this now, as you see here, how we post our alerts prior to the open, where we are looking at the unbreakable ranges, where we are for the upside, where we are for the downside, where our major pivots are, our 1%, our plus minus 1%, where our lows are as far as everything goes, and what we're looking for in the chat room. So this way we've got about 30 minutes to get ready prior to the open so that we can put out our spreads. Now, our track record, having gone back when I turned 50 back on September 29th, I started table pounding that this is where you need to be focused. And going back there and the way that we trade this and the way that we work out where our ranges are, every day you got an open, every day you have a close, and in between that open and close, you have a high and you have a low. And the way that I've been able to calculate this, like you see, the track record for wins, the percentage trades for wins 233%, 47%, 233%. On the days when we lose, the days when trades don't work out, we already know that the trades aren't going to work out that day, and therefore they are posted in the alert room as risky. We have the safe trade, we have the risky trade, and we have the crazy loco trade. The safe trade is trading on those edges. These edges that we point out here, the 38.85, 37.60 as an example that we had there on Friday. As you see here, when you come down here on Friday, the edges never got touched. It was actually 37.70. This is why we posted out early. And the trade that we did have there for our risky trade, the 38.30, 38.35s, those paid out 150% on Friday. Now, we're talking here about big numbers, 150%, 194%, 185%. Where I'm looking at you for this, doing the SPX credit spreads, is looking for 5%. 5%. 5% on a 5-point spread is a 25-cent move. That's it. 25 cents on a move. Open the trade, close the trade using those safe edges, and I'll walk you through this. At $500 risk, that's it. Not talking about putting 10 grand into an account or 20 grand or 5 grand. $500 risk, one contract. You're looking for that 5%. You're looking for that $25. And as that $25 continues to build up, it'll take you 20 trades at only 5% to get up to where you've made $500, you've doubled your money, and now you can start doing 2 contracts. You start doing 2 contracts, takes you 10 days doing that to gain another $500 because you're making $50 a day now, not 25. And now you're moving on to 3 contracts. 3 contracts, a little bit less than 10 days. Takes you about 7. You're working off 3 contracts, and now you're slowly moving in. You're 37 trading sessions into the year, so you're roughly about 2 months. And you're moving forward, and you're moving forward, and slowly the contracts start to build up. You're moving into more and more contracts, and you have your big benchmark. Once you have hit that 60th, 61st trading session, where you're now making $500 off of that, $250 a day, trading $5,000, 10 contracts, 25 cents still on your contracts, what you're looking for, 5%, and you're slowly moving up the ladder, slowly moving up the ladder where now every 2 days you're adding another contract. Every 2 days you're adding another contract. And then you finally make it to the big benchmark. 80 trading sessions in, taking that 5%, and you're now up to 20 contracts. You're trading 10 grand and you're making 500 bucks. Now that sounds like kibbles and bits. You're throwing out there 10 grand worth of risk and you're only taking $500. But that's the big part about it, is you're not taking the risk because you're using these safe edges. You're only taking the trade when the trade is there for you. And 5%, I mean, you guys who have been in this room for the last 3 months we see dollar swings. We see $2 swings sometimes on some of these riskier spreads that we do. And you're literally looking here at 25 cents that you're trying to take this trade on. 25 cents worth of credit, taking your 5% and moving on and moving forward, because you know now that once you've hit this big benchmark where you're now trading 20 contracts, every single day that you make another trade and you take your 5%, you're adding another contract. You're at 25 contracts. You're at 30 contracts. At 30 contracts, you're making $750 a day. Now, $750 a day isn't anything to, say this is kibbles and bits. This is just, pocket money. You're making 750 bucks a day. You start moving forward, you get to that 100th session, you're trading 20 grand. You're now doing 40 contracts. You're now making $1,000 a day. 250 trading sessions in a year. That's 250 grand. It's nothing to, be ashamed about. And then as you continue, you're moving forward because now you're 5%. Once you've made it to that level, you're now starting to make $1,000 a day. So you're jumping two contracts. You're at 50 contracts in 5 sessions. You're at 60 contracts in 5 sessions. You're trading 30 grand, you're making 1,500 a day. 5% is all you're taking, that 25 cents on that spread. You come back here and you start getting up to that 100 contract level. You're making 2,500 bucks a day at 50 grand risk, taking that quarter, trading 100 contracts. And again, it all adds up. 2,500 bucks a day, you're making over $500,000 in a year. But again, you keep moving forward, to get to that benchmark if you so choose to. And within the course of a year, even if you are taking days off, 138 trades, 250 of them in the course of a year, you are now up to making $5,000 a day. 200 contracts, 100 grand risk, making your $5,000, $5,000, 250 trading sessions in a year. You're making $1.25 million in the course of a year. Now, if you want to fast track it and microwave your money and try and get it done today so that you start making that kind of money tomorrow, you might as well just give your money away. But if you stick to this, because the stock market isn't going to disappear, it's not going away, it will open up every single other day that it's scheduled to open up. Build it, build it, build it. I want 7 people this year, 7 of the members, to get to this benchmark where you're making $5,000 a day every single day in the easiest, simplest, riskless, as risk-free possible way that I can guide you in as we go through with how we post out our alerts and how we continue to push these alerts. And I tell you, I know already, I've seen it happen before. 6 months from now, I'm going to start getting private messages. Maybe 1, maybe 2. And a year from now, I know one of you is going to come over here and sit down and have a drink with me. So make this your 2023 New Year's resolution. Follow the guides, follow what we're doing, ask me questions, use the private messages, email me, get on the phone and do one-on-one calls with me on the weekends during market hours. All I want to do is to make you a better, more successful trader, and you couldn't pick a better year to do it. 2023 is going to be explosive.